welcome back to our channel. As you know, we are in Kerala and we are in Alleppey, so we thought we will explore what Alleppey has. So we have come to a museum today. The name of the museum is Ravi Karan Memorial Museum, which is right in between the town of Alleppey. So we actually saw the entire museum, and photography, videography is actually not allowed because there's a lot of things over here. 3 generations have collected things from across the globe, be it diamonds, porcelain, glass, ivory, everything is there, and it's very beautiful. Some 20,000 square feet of area, and there are huge amount of things there. They have a separate Kerala room which shows the culture of Kerala, which shows a lot of things which was there, you know, which is antique to specifically to Kerala culture. So all that is there inside. So people visiting Alleppey can definitely, you know, take a pit stop here. You'll actually take an hour to see the museum. So there's one museum, and attached to it is a new museum. The museum is started. The museum was started in 2006 by Mr. Ravi's wife, Mrs. Betty. She's still there, and their house is attached to this museum just behind the museum. So she still lives here. So she has made this museum in the memory of her husband. So that's so nice. That's so nice. And people do visit here. The entry charge to this museum is 2,000 rupees per person, and they have maintained it so beautifully. And the reason photography is not allowed is because they want people to come here and see things. But the lower part, there's one part wherein the photography is allowed. So I'll show you that place. So this is the only part of the museum where you can actually make some content, where you can take some photographs. So these are some old tables and chairs which they've collected from different countries. How was your experience?
Amazing swing over here, which is like probably 100 years old, older than me, older than mostly a lot of people who are watching this video. But actually, यहाँ पे videography allowed नहीं है. So this is like just one of the areas where you can just sit and relax. So this room has also a lot of antique stuffs. This is a photo of the founder and his wife who made the museum under his name, right? So yeah, that's about it. We're just chilling.
ग्रेट म्यूजियम, बहुत मज़ा आया हम लोग को घूम के सब देखने में. हाउ डिड यू फील?
इट वाज गुड. ऐसा अच्छा था, पर बहुत बड़ा है, तो इतना देर घूम के सब देखो, फिर बाहर दूसरा और एक म्यूजियम है, थोड़ा टाइम ज़्यादा लगता है. तो एकदम टाइम वगैरह प्लान करके आ रहे तो दिस टाइम
या पैर की बैंड बच रही है.
Look at how massive this place is. You know, it's very huge and it's damn beautiful. You know, the white looks like pearl white, and it's maintained really well. If you guys are in Alleppey, you should definitely come to this museum. So guys, we have seen the museum now. हम लोगों ने पूरा एक्सप्लोर कर लिया. ऐसे सब चीज़ें देख ली है जो लाइफ में शायद कभी देखा ही नहीं होगा. तो it was quite a different experience, but the only regret is we couldn't show you guys anything because यहाँ पे photography and videography allowed नहीं है. They strictly are against it because it's the owner's policy that she doesn't want people to see this place via video, but come here and experience it. But trust me guys, if you guys are in Alappuzha, please come to this museum, RKK Museum. It's worth your time, and you will get to see a lot of things that you have never seen in life. Yep. So definitely a thumbs up from both of our side, for sure.
It's basically a world tour in the aspects of artifacts, because they have bought things from Spain, Italy, England, Antarctica, Africa.
Yeah.
I'm just
Probably all the
thinking
countries in
what
the
all
world.
I've seen
Yeah.
there. Portugal, everything is there. So a world tour in the aspects of artifacts. So
Yeah.
people who love artifacts, this is a heaven for you guys. You guys should definitely come here. So yeah, this is a must visit when in Alleppey.
And look at the vibes here, guys. So beautiful. It's so well maintained. मतलब यहाँ पे आपको इसे बैठने में भी मज़ा आ जाएगा. But ये जो डोर दिख रहा है पीछे, this is the main door to all the museums. So basically 3 या 4 टाइप के म्यूजियम्स हैं इनके पास. One is a new museum which is on that side where you saw the swing वाला video and all, वो वहाँ पे है, and the rest of the museum is this side.
Also, they are India's biggest coir exporters.
Yeah.
So Ravi, Mr. Ravi's father or grandfather, I'm not very sure.
Grandfather.
Ravi's
yeah.
grandfather, he's a person who started the first coir factory in India for exports.
Yeah.
Since then, they have been the biggest exporters of coir
in India, all of
in
India. Till
And-
now, I guess, because they said, the staff told us ki near about 1200 employees are still employed here in this company, in their coir factory, and they have
that's the coir factory.
yeah, and so they have around 1200 employees employed with the company, and they have a turnover of around 300 crores. And I can actually show you the coir factory as well. It's right here.
What you see across the road, that is the coir factory. As you enter, this is the booking office. As I told you, 200 is the ticket charges per adult. So here is the ticket listing, and you can take your tickets from here and walk all the way from here. There's a ground floor, there's a top floor, there's a new museum, everything at once you can see, and then come back to that hill. So it's all about the Ravi Karunakaran Memorial Museum, and now we are heading out of this place. Let's see what else Alleppey has to offer. We have not planned anything, so see you at the next location. So after the museum, we were very hungry because we had to walk a lot. So we came to Borma Cafe, which is right next to the Alleppey boat jetty actually. So we're gonna order some food and eat some good food from here, and then see what we do. Have you guys heard of Mohabbat Ka Sharbat? This is Mohabbat Ka Sharbat. How is it?
Very nice.
What all is there in it?
Watermelon, mint is there. I think they have that pink color ka
Rosewood.
rose syrup. It's very nice.
So yeah, we are working. She's enjoying her Mohabbat Ka Sharbat, and we've ordered some more food. We have ordered some beef fries. Rajesh is already hogging onto it.
Because I'm hungry.
How's it?
Super.
I'm gonna try it. So there's French fries, there's minced beef, and then salsa on top of it, and it's nice. A different item. And we have ordered some English breakfast. It looks crazy, and we are gonna attack it now. And in the end, we have ordered some fish and fries, and I'm gonna attack it. I'm a huge fan of fish and fries, so I thought I'll come and check it out here. So they use frozen fish, but still it is good. It is nice and fresh. So this, we heard a lot about this cafe. This was hyped by one of our friends. So yeah, he gave us a good recommendation. I really love the food here. How about you, Adarsh?
Yeah, food is very good. The tummy is full. Maza aa gaya. It was worth the hype.
Yeah, completely worth the hype. I think we should stop eating now because we ordered most of the things on the menu, and we're gonna end it with some affogato coffee. I've only heard it, I've only seen it on Instagram during COVID times. Finally I ordered one. that was Dalgona coffee. Very nice. Nice and strong coffee. The people who like strong coffee like me can try this coffee. Our tummies are super full. We had a nice time having our having food at Borma Cafe. So we have left from here now. Guess what, guys? We ate so many things and the bill came up to only 1,200 rupees. So the food was
Pocket friendly.
yeah, the food was nice and pocket friendly. I wanted to eat more stuff from there, but फिर पेट भाड़े में लेना पड़ेगा किसी और का, तो then we stopped ordering food and eating food. So now I don't know where we are going. Let's see what we explore in Alleppey today. We finally came to our next stop. So we have come to Mount Carmel Cathedral, which is in Alleppey. So this is just 3-4 kilometers away from Alleppey station. If somebody is coming from the airport, it is approximately, the airport is approximately 85 kilometers from here. So I just read online that this is one of the tourist place, and this church really looks beautiful. So I did read that this church is a very old church. This is here since 1809. That is approximately 200 years ago. This church was built, and let's see, I'll go inside. I don't know if it is possible to take some videos inside, but I will try and get some videos from there. Already saw the church, and apart from the church they also have a prayer hall. This is a glass structure and it is so neat and tidy. People are sitting there peacefully and praying, so we are not going inside.
Or we might, just to see how the vibe is there. We just went to the praying area and prayed for a bit, and it felt really nice. It has, the vibe there is very nice, amazing and beautiful, to be precise. And felt really good, बहुत अच्छा लगा. And there is some garden. So as you can see, I think these are some I mean, I don't know who they are exactly, but
Reverend Father.
Yeah, but yeah, I mean, this is that area, and I think there is a cemetery which is attached. Overall, this place is maintained really well, and it's very beautiful. I really love the vibe here. This was it. Now we will be moving to another place. I don't know where we will be going. अब decide करेंगे. What say Divya?
Yeah, this was very nice.
Yeah.
Though it is 200-year-old, I think this place is well maintained. Like, I can sleep here right on the ground. It is so clean.
Not recommended to do, but yeah.
So it is very clean and very well maintained, and it's very peaceful, so calm.
Yeah.
I can only hear the noise of the vehicles around, but here it is very calm and very peaceful. So yes, people visiting Alleppey, this is also one of the places which you should visit during your Alleppey trip.
So now we have reached Mahararikulam beach. So it seems that is one of the commercial beaches near Alleppey. So this is not exactly in Alleppey, this is in Cherthala, which is near to Alleppey. Actually, we have come here to chill now. Wherever we go, we find dogs.
Yeah, वो chill कर रहा life में.
Yeah. Had some fun. थोड़ा बीच में खेले, एक दो रील शूट किया हम लोग ने. So and if you guys want to see that reel, do head down to our channel Couple Travelog on Instagram. हम वीडियो वहाँ पे पोस्ट करते हैं एक्चुअली, जो भी रील्स हम शूट करते हैं छोटा मोटा. Do support us there as well. And also Divya's channel, she posts there. Divya MPP, Divya MPP, right? Yeah, Divya MPP. She shoots and she posts most of our reels and all there. I'm not that active on Instagram, but YouTube is the thing. I've been here. I like being at YouTube. So yeah, do follow the channels Couple Travelog and Divya MPP.
So coming to this beach was worth it. I only go to Alleppey beach when I'm in Kerala, but this is Marari beach, which is like 15 kilometers from Alleppey beach, and this trip was worth, because if you can see, there is nobody around us. We have the whole beach to ourselves. There are very less people. I think there is some backwaters also here. I'm not sure. I can see a water body right there, with a boat on it. I think that is the backwaters, and if it rains too much, this will get connected, the beach and the backwaters.
They are companion to come to the beach was Kittu, Dr. Devika, so we call her Kittu with affection. Are you bored or are you having fun?
I'm having fun.
Yes. So this is a great time that we are spending here on the beach. As you can see, the beach is not crowded at all. So यहाँ पे ज़्यादा लोग नहीं है. So when there is less people, you have more fun. That's what we are having right now, right?
Yep. So this was about our one day exploring in Alleppey.
Yeah.
So we went to the museum, the church, and then finally the beach.
And she's trying to open somebody else's car because our car is there, which is black.
She just went and opened somebody else's car. Good that it did not beep. So yeah guys, stay tuned. We will be exploring more places. I don't know if we'll be doing it in Alleppey, but yeah, we'll be exploring more places, so stay tuned.